Google Pixel 9 Pro, a comprehensive review in simple terms. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is Google's latest flagship smartphone, and it's designed to offer a premium experience in every way. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just want a reliable and fast phone, the Pixel 9 Pro aims to deliver. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Pixel 9 Pro in simple terms, covering its design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and more. Design and build quality, stylish and durable. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a stylish phone that feels great in your hand. It has a smooth matte finish on the back, which helps prevent fingerprints, and it comes in several colors like just black, soft sage, and sunset orange. The back is made from strong Gorilla Glass Victus, which is designed to resist scratches and survive minor drops. The phone's edges are made from polished aluminum, making it sturdy yet lightweight, easy to hold. Even though the Pixel 9 Pro has a big screen, it's comfortable to hold. The phone is well balanced, and the slightly curved edges make it easy to grip. The buttons for power and volume are placed on the right side, so you can reach them easily, even with one hand. Built to last, the Pixel 9 Pro has an IP68 rating, which means it's resistant to dust and can handle being submerged in water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters. This makes it more durable against everyday accidents like spills or getting caught in the rain. The Gorilla Glass on both the front and back adds extra protection, but using a case is still a good idea. Display, a feast for the eyes, big, bright, and beautiful. The Pixel 9 Pro has a large 6.7-inch screen with a very high resolution, 3200 by 1440 pixels. This means that everything on the screen, text, images, videos, looks incredibly sharp and clear. The screen uses OLED technology, which makes colors vibrant and blacks deep, providing a fantastic viewing experience whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just browsing the web. Adapts to your needs. One of the coolest features of the Pixel 9 Pro's display is its ability to change its refresh rate depending on what you're doing. The refresh rate can go as high as 120 Hz, which makes scrolling through apps and playing games feel smooth and responsive. When you're looking at something static, like a photo, the refresh rate drops to save battery life. This smart adjustment helps the phone run more efficiently, easy to see in any light. With a peak brightness of 1500 nits, the Pixel 9 Pro's screen is bright enough to use comfortably even in direct sunlight. The phone automatically adjusts the brightness based on your surroundings, so you don't have to fiddle with settings when you move from indoors to outdoors. Performance, power and speed, fast and efficient. The Pixel 9 Pro is powered by Google's own Tensor G3 processor, which is designed to make the phone fast and efficient. It also has 12 GB of RAM, which is more than enough to handle multiple apps at once without slowing down. Whether you're playing the latest games, editing photos, or just navigating through your apps, the Pixel 9 Pro performs smoothly without any noticeable lag. Real-world performance. In everyday use, the Pixel 9 Pro handles everything you throw at it with ease. Apps open quickly, switching between them is seamless, and even intensive tasks like gaming or video editing run without a hitch. While it might not be the absolute fastest phone on the market, it's more than capable for the vast majority of users. Battery life and charging. The Pixel 9 Pro has a large 5000 mAh battery, which means it can easily last a full day of use on a single charge. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, you won't have to worry about running out of power before the day is over. When it comes to charging, the Pixel 9 Pro supports 30W fast charging, which isn't the fastest available but still gets the job done. It also supports wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging, so you can use it to charge other devices like earbuds or another phone if needed. Camera, a photographer's dream, amazing photos in any light. The Pixel 9 Pro continues Google's tradition of excellent cameras. It has a triple camera setup on the back, a 50MP main camera, a 48MP telephoto lens for zooming in, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more of the scene. This setup allows you to take stunning photos in almost any condition, whether it's a bright sunny day or a dimly lit room. The main camera is especially impressive, capturing incredible detail and vibrant colors. Google's software does a lot of work behind the scenes to improve your photos, using features like Night Sight for low-light photography and Super Residential Zoom for getting close-up shots without losing quality. Versatile zoom and wide-angle shots. The 48MP telephoto lens lets you zoom in up to 5x optically, which means you can get closer to your subject without sacrificing quality. If you need to zoom in even more, the Super Residential Zoom feature can go up to 30x digitally, and it still manages to produce surprisingly good results. The 12MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing landscapes or group photos. It has a 120-degree field of view, so you can fit more into your shot without having to step back. There's also a new macro focus mode that lets you take detailed close-up shots, which is great for photographing small objects like flowers or insects. Smooth and steady videos. The Pixel 9 Pro is also a strong performer when it comes to video. It can record in up to 8K resolution, which is incredibly detailed, though most people will be more than happy with 4K at 60 frames per second. The phone includes features like Cinematic Pan, which helps stabilize your videos and makes them look professional even if your hands are a bit shaky. The improved video stabilization, powered by Google's AI, ensures your videos are smooth and free of unwanted motion. Selfies that shine. The 12MP front camera is great for selfies, with improved low-light performance and a refined portrait mode that makes sure your face is in sharp focus while gently blurring the background. Google's Face Unblur feature is also back, making sure that your selfies are clear and sharp. Even if you move a little while taking the photo. Software, the best of Android, clean and smart. The Pixel 9 Pro runs on Android 14, and since it's a Google phone, you get the purest version of Android without any unnecessary bloatware. The software is clean, intuitive, and packed with useful features that enhance your everyday experience.